हिस्टोलॉजी स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ प्री रिक्विजिट्स है जो हमें जानने चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है कि हिस्टोलॉजी क्या है. इट इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोपिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टिश्यूज, बट व्हाट डज इट एक्चुअली मीन? So in layman language, it means study of normal structure of tissue, or we can say tissue जैसा है हम उसे वैसा ही पढ़ रहे हैं या जान रहे हैं. Something would be structure of the tooth. The basic structure is known to all of us, that is the crown, the root, and the portion that covers the entire crown is the enamel. Below that we have dentine, the white portion that you can see, dentine. Now the dentine present in coronal portion or the crown portion is called the coronal dentine, and the dentine present in root portion is called the radicular dentine. Covering the radicular dentine is our cementum. The next thing is, this will be the pulp chamber and this will be the pulp canal. Inside the pulp chamber we see nerves and blood vessels. This will be the nerve and the blue one will be the veins. I could not draw red for capillaries, but red would also be there. And these take entry from a tiny pore called the apical foramen. Now where is this tooth seated? So it is embedded in this alveolar bone. This pink portion is what we see in the oral cavity, that is the gingiva. The continuation of gingiva we can see all around the root of tooth, and these are actually the periodontal ligaments which support the tooth against any masticatory forces or functional forces. The next thing we see is Sharpie fibers. These Sharpie fibers originate from the cementum and embed itself in the periosteum of the bone. What Sharpie fiber do is maintain the position of tooth in its place, hold the tooth in its position. We can also see some accessory canals. See, this is the root canal and there are some accessory canals coming out of it. These are also called lateral canals. Now there are some junctions also that we must know, that is the dentino-enamel junction, the cemento-enamel junction, and the dentino-cemental junction. So what are these? See, where the enamel meets the dentine, this is the dentino-enamel junction. Where the cementum meets the enamel is called the cemento-enamel junction, and where the dentine meets the cementum is called the dentino-cemental junction.